Okay, today we're doing ordering terms. When you're ordering terms, you go by the greater exponent, and the variables have to be in alphabetical order, followed by your constants. So I look at my exponents. This is x to the first power, third power, second power. 3 is the highest, so I bring down this term. Negative 4x cubed. Okay, then I have my next term of x would be negative 5x squared. And then my last x will be x to the first power and my constant plus 12. Again, now I have my exponents in numerical order descending. And then I have my variables, which I only have one, that's x. And it's in alphabetical order. And then I have followed by my constants. Okay, then look at 160. Again, now you see you have an XY, an X, and a Y. And then you have your constant. So, first thing you want to do is look at your X first. This is X to the first power, Y to the first power. So I have to look at my X value, my X value. That is 2x squared. I have another x, so that is minus 12x to the first power, which you don't have to put the first power, y to the first power. And then I have my y come next, minus 7y squared. I don't have any more y, so that leaves me with my constant on it. And I just check x to the second power, x to the first power, y is in alphabetical order, followed by my constants. Okay. Have 2 more. You want to look at it, pause the video, and see can you put it in numerical order. Okay, I'm gonna go and work on it. So I look at, I have x, y, x, x, y, y. And I have a constant. So now I'm gonna look at my x first, and I see an x to the third power. I don't have any more x to the third power, so that's negative x to the third power. Now it goes, and see can I find x to the second power? That is a negative 7x to the second power times y. Now I can see can I find x to the first power? And it is, so that's a positive 18 x y to the second power. Now I just have my y to the third power, followed by my constant, plus 81. We have our variables in alphabetical order, our exponents in numerical order descending from greatest to least. So that's x to the third power, x to the second power, x to the first power, y, comma. Last one today, we have some W's, and that's it. I have W's and I have a constant. Okay, so let's look at the greater exponent. I have, that's to the third power, first power, fourth power, second power. So 4 is greater than 3. So I start at my 8 W to the fourth, followed by 2W to the third, plus 9W to the second, and minus 20 w to the first. Now, you gotta be careful not to leave out your signs. Not to leave out your signs. This negative, these positives, anytime you see an operation in front of a term, you have to include that with the term. Okay, now I have just my constant. So I got 4, 3, 2, 1, constant. Very simple. That's all you do for ordering terms. Now we're gonna move on to simplifying exponents with non-perfect squares. And that's another video. Stop this one.